Hi, I'm Mark Schneider. You're watching Schneider Classics, and in a little bit, my truck's going to be coming home on a tow truck. And the reason for it is, one, we got to put a brake booster in it, which is what this video is. And two, the truck's been away for a little while. The truck went off. I brought it to the shop, a shop that I couldn't film in, to do the head gaskets because one head gasket was leaking, so it needed to be done. Then I brought it to another shop to get the carburetor figured out because the carburetor, we kept having problems. I kept swapping carburetors, nothing was solving it. So brought it to a shop, got it figured out. She now should run properly, but as soon as it arrives here on the tow truck, I'm gonna get that installed, a brand new brake booster, so we can have proper braking, because it might help. So it's the next day, I'm scrapping the booster idea because it's actually not the booster that's bad. The booster's fine, and the booster I got's the wrong part. I would have to modify the bracket to make it work. Whatever. Maybe in the future. What it is this pedal, I have to loosen this and undo that bolt and push. I need more pedal travel. Because with the lever system, every inch I push more on the pedal gives me 4 inches on the booster. So I had to fix that. There's also a person here. Hi. Oh, fix that. That's not fun. Then when that's fixed, they actually finally put in a new gas tank. Yeah, it smells good. No. No? No sniffing gas?
No. Sniff glue instead.
You could probably, if you want, the stickers are on my filing cabinet. You could go and grab the stickers.
Have you felt the air of the summer heat? Everywhere I go, I seem to feel alone. When I come back, I always feel like it's a welcome home.
The professional sticker layer. She's doing mechanics.
She hasn't cursed yet, so I don't think so.
I love her. I finished up the brakes and just taking her on a test run here because we got first, second, third, fourth in reverse. See if I kick it into reverse. Pretty good brakes. So I'm gonna end this video off with the brakes, with the AJ. Oh, you going? But that's gonna be it for this video. Because fix the brakes, you saw it break. See you guys in the next video. The next video where they actually be replacing the gas tank. See you guys in the next video.
Like, comment, subscribe, and share, or else.